What's up, guys? Today we're gonna show you how to do your own DIY foam machine on Expedition Fun. Coming up! Expedition Fun!
Today we're gonna show you how to do
Whoa!
it.
Whoa!
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right.
Okay, all you need is 3 items. We have dish soap, we have a towel, we have a shop vac bucket. Now the towel, this is actually a mesh netting for like a pergola cover. Anything that's breathable. I cut a hole through the center for my shop vac pipe to go through, but you don't absolutely have to do that. All right, so first things first, we're gonna fill this bucket about 3/4 of the way. We want to leave some area of the top for the bubbles to build up. So actually this is probably closer to like 90%. You want some area for the bubbles to build up here, then they're going to squeeze themselves out through the breathable cloth that goes over the top. Right now we're going to just dump our whole jug of dish soap in. I try not to disturb the water too much. And you can do, I usually just do 1 jug. You can experiment, you can do more. There we go. And now we're gonna put the cover on. I did cut a hole through the center where I could feed my tube. It's absolutely not necessary. If you cover this and you put your tube on the side, that is fine as well. I just found it more optimal to go right through the middle. All right, so it should look like so. Now, this obviously is not gonna stay on the bucket, so what we do have a strap, and we're gonna strap this tarp around it so that it stays on when we turn the blower on. So you also wanna make sure that there's some excess towel or fabric underneath your strap, otherwise it'll be flapping. You'll get a big hole here and then just giant bubbles will come out. Okay guys, that's really it. We're ready to turn on the power and let's see some foam.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it.
All right guys, we hope you liked our video on how to make a DIY foam machine. Have fun, we'll see you next time. Oh, seriously, it's in my eye. Oh, I swallowed some. I swallowed some soap. Expedition Fun. That's how we clean up, guys. Trampoline shower.
Oh, you got it in my mouth.
Oh, man down. All right, so that's how you make your homemade foam machine. I hope you enjoyed our video. Hit that bell notification, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Expedition Fun.